120 watts flash charge, 50% of battery life in 6 minutes, and 100% in 18 minutes. Say hi to super fast charging. The USB connector and USB port feature rhodium ruthenium coating process that resists corrosion for enhanced durability. IQOO 9 series adopts customized dual charge pump to drop voltage for an industry-leading power conversion rate of up to 98.5%. It is equipped with innovative MTW array electrode structure. It also features sophisticated 6C battery cell that boosts the current to be more than double the industry standard. Battery life can be extended by up to 800 to 1000 cycles. IQOO 9 series offers you a safe and stable fast charging experience.